Have you heard about smart cities in India? When was this concept launched in India? This concept was launched in 2015 under the central government's Smart City mission. The main objective behind this is to improve quality of life, to sustainable urban development, to use of smart technology, to strong infrastructure development, to economic growth and investment, to citizen participation, to area-based development. Do you know which is the India's first greenfield city? Any guesses? It is Dholera, SIR, Gujarat. Dholera Special Investment Region is India's first and one of the largest planned greenfield smart industrial cities being developed jointly by the Government of India and the Government of Gujarat. Spread across nearly 920 square kilometers, it is strategically located within the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, making it a major future hub for manufacturing, logistics, semiconductors, renewable energy, aviation, and smart infrastructure. What makes Dholera unique is that it is not just a regular city expansion project. It is a government-backed special investment region created under the Gujarat Special Investment Region Act 2009. The project is being managed through dedicated government authorities like Dholera Industrial City Development Limited and DSIRDA, ensuring planned urban and industrial development with long-term policy support. The government is strongly supporting Dholera SIR through massive infrastructure investments and policy incentives, including Ahmedabad to Dholera Expressway for faster connectivity, Dholera International Airport development, dedicated freight and logistics connectivity under DMIC, underground power distribution and smart ICT infrastructure, water supply, wastewater treatment and plug-and-play industrial utilities, semiconductor and electronics manufacturing incentives, single-window clearance systems for industries and investors. Dholera SIR is a greenfield and non-polluting zone which makes it different from other industrial developing zones. Major sectors are solar and renewable energy, semiconductor manufacturing hub, aviation and defense pharmaceuticals, hydropower. What sets up apart Dholera? World-class infrastructure, ease of governance, ease of business, fast-track approvals, plug-and-play internal and external connectivity, social infrastructure, technology and security. Dholera SIR has 6 major TP town planning zones: TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5, TP6. These 6 TP schemes are the main planning backbone of Dholera SIR and are developed phase-wise for residential, industrial, commercial and infrastructure growth, with phase 1 focused on TP1 and TP2 and the activation area mainly spread across TP2A and TP3. And if we talk about connectivity, Dholera SIR is very well connected via Ahmedabad to Dholera Expressway, Dholera International Airport Dedicated Freight Corridor DFC, Ahmedabad to Dholera Metro/Regional Railport Connectivity DMIC Corridor, internal smart roads and underground infrastructure ABCD. Building Administrative and Business Center for Dholera, the brain of Dholera Smart City. Single Window Clearance Smart City Command and Control Center, Investor Facilitation Hub, Skill Development Center. Major companies in Dholera SIR: Tata, Reliance, Adani, Renew, Grew, Larsen & Toubro, Mahindra Lifespace, Zydus Cadila, Gap, Polycab, NextGen Inox. Dholera SIR, from vision to reality. Past 10 years. 2015 to 2025. Foundation and planning phase. Present. 2026. Infrastructure activation phase. Future outlook. 2026 to 2030. Growth and expansion phase. Bhimnath Railway Junction, the connectivity backbone of Dholera SIR. Property type: industrial, commercial, residential. Land parcels. This chart represents that growth analysis of Dholera SIR. How prices hiked in past 10 years and how are they expecting to be risen in upcoming years. This chart represents that growth projections till 2030 of Dholera SIR. Dholera SIR is one of India's most promising investment destinations. As India's first greenfield smart city and a major project under the Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, it is backed by strong government support, world-class infrastructure and rapid industrial growth. With expressways, an upcoming international airport, metro connectivity and major industries like semiconductors, renewable energy and manufacturing, Dholera is transforming into a future economic powerhouse. Located near Ahmedabad, it offers strong connectivity and high potential for capital appreciation. Investing today means entering before prices rise to premium levels. Dholera SIR is not just land. It is a smart, long-term wealth-building opportunity in the city of tomorrow. Why Dholera SIR? 1. India's first greenfield smart city. 2. Strong industrial backbone. 3. Massive government investment. 4. Strategic location and connectivity. 5. Focus on non-polluting and future industries. 6. High growth and appreciation potential. 7. Activation area already developing.